legitimately thrilled that this has arrived. I put an order with Necromancy, which I feel like everyone has tagged me in so many times, not only because duh, the vibe, but also the shades. The shades. I have seen their stuff. I've been looking at their stuff for so long, but I'm so thrilled because they did a huge restock, and obviously I was looking at those lipsticks. I did order some of their shadows as well. I already have eyeshadow on today, clearly, so I will have to try that very soon. All of my friends are like, listen, bestie, hey, you are actually going to love these. And I'm like, say no more. Say no more. I already have a cart ready. I am ready for the restock. I was ready, dude. There was actually one shade that was out of stock, which was super unfortunate. By the time I went to go order, and I thought I was ahead of time, like I thought I was pretty on time. However, I think it was, I don't know if it was a matter of hours or something, and Naked Witch, which is the gray shade, was out of stock. Anyway, let me open this first. Oh yeah, like truly. Oh, ooh, cute. I love these cards. These look so cool. Handcrafted 100% vegan, cruelty-free matte lipsticks. Dude, I am stoked. Oh, look at those. I'm gonna tell you right now, this one, Deadly Nightshade. Deadly Nightshade. Actually, all of the blue shades. All the blue and the yellow shades are like kind of next on my list because my god, my god. Ooh, and this is cute too. I love this. I seriously love when they have like little inserts for the products because I find it really helpful. I also love visuals. Yay! Ooh, yeah. Literally, look at this cute packaging. So they do reusable packaging or like interchangeable. So I'm pretty sure this is bamboo. It actually feels very nice. Oh, so you put your lipstick in here and you can just have like one of these and then switch them out. I think that's wonderful. I love when brands have sustainable packaging that's cool and also not ugly. No offense to some of those brands. Well, it's not like I'm saying any, but if any came to your mind, that's not my fault. Bury me in this shade. Stop, okay? This is so cool. Look at that packaging, dude. I love that. I love that. I did get the bundles of like the shade with the packaging, and I think the bundle is either 18 or 20. No, I think the refill is 18 and the bundle with the packaging is 20. Anyway, let me show you. Yes. Oh my god, this. Very cool. This is the eyeshadow palette. These are so little. These are so cute. This is so cute. So I got Divine Flesh, Lestrange, and I think I got one other, but here's the See, this is where I'm confused because I also got Terra Matter, which literally looks so gorgeous, but Naked Witch was out of stock, and yet here it is in my hands. This is the refill of Naked Witch, and I don't know if maybe it's because, maybe this is like a little gift because the order was delayed or took a minute, which honestly, full transparency, when indie brands or brands that are far away from me take a little longer to ship, not me being like, oh, I'm so understandable, but like as much as I am impatient because I'm so excited to like use the things, I'm never gonna be like actually angry or mad, specifically when it's a company that has like sustainable packaging and like maybe just more on the indie side. I'm not ever gonna like cause a problem that they're not shipping as fast as Amazon Prime. You know what I'm saying? So while this was worth the wait, I'm sure, I'm not ever gonna throw a fit. However, I was like, should I reach out? Like, it has been a minute. It has been a minute. And then by the time I really started to worry, it's here. So, you know, but maybe this was like a little gift. I don't know. I 100% did not order this, even though this was like the shade that I was like, I need to get that shade. So I'm confused. Necromancy, did you do this? Was this you? I think I have to try this one first though, because listen, I love gray lipstick. I love gray tones. If you know my style at all, gray toned anything with makeup, oh, so I think I must. I think legally I have to. That's a joke for legal reasons. Oh, this is so adorable. Like I'm so excited to like, let me take this out. Cute. Okay, so then you take this off. Yeah. Now listen, I don't want to hear any comments. That looks dead. And. Okay, so then you just press this into this. I'm gonna try to be careful. You know what? Because I'm gonna put the cap back on this while I'm pressing it down, so my finger, yeah. So press this into here. Like so, and then it, oh shit, barely. barely. And then, cute. I know that this is slimmer, like this packaging is slimmer than their old packaging. Oh, very nice, very nice. Also, another moment for this packaging. I'm gonna try it just straight up and then I'm probably gonna add some lip liner, but let me just try this shade first. It doesn't really smell like anything, like it smells unscented, if that makes sense. Wow, that is gray. Ooh, I like that texture. This is a matte lipstick. It's not super glidey, but it still feels comfortable, which you don't usually get that two combined. Like if it's really glidey, it's really comfortable. If it's not glidey, you're like, But I also feel like this would wear really well for a long time. I know that wearing this alone is probably not going to be a lot of people's vibe. I would wear this alone, but I also know that I'm going to wear this with lip liner. So let me try that as well. I really like the finish on that though. That is a cool shade. I feel like mine is a little loose like in the tube. So I'm just going to be a little careful with that. I'm going to take the sticker from the bottom of this and put it on here so I know which one is which. But actually, instead of like taking it off and reapplying, I'm just going to like add the black lip liner. I am obsessed with that color because I already know that I'm going to mix this in with so much stuff. Let me add some black lip liner. Ooh, yeah, that is what I'm talking about. That is what I am talking about. I love this so much. To me, this is like a everyday nude, as they say, but like this to me adds such a grungy, like gothic kind of vibe. I have to say I was a little worried about like the matteness, but it feels just like sitting here and rubbing your lips together. I really do like it. I do think there is gonna be like a tiny bit of transfer. It is pretty minimal, but I also love lipstick formulas like this, like in a tube, that are matte, wear really long, and also wear down beautifully. I will let you know how this wears down, but it's giving me the same kind of vibe of other lipsticks that I enjoy like this. So I'm very excited about that. I'm also so thrilled to have other shades. Necromancy, I don't know if you did this on purpose. I don't know if there was like, oops, where did we actually just threw in a naked witch? If you did you know? Did you know that I would love this? I think maybe that's me just giving myself a little bit of an ego. Either way, I think the finish is really stunning. This is how I wear light tone lips. This is how I feel like I can make legitimately any shade work. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to see the other shades. I literally can't wait to try them. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!